Didn't plan to make a video today, just come out with Chris in his adventure. Just aired up, but all this video will be on phone camera, so it won't be the steadiest video, but some funny things happen that you'll see.
Hey Angela! She got spray painted. Hang on.
No, don't get
Yes! We got her!
help.
She's coming! Keith.
Wait, is my back good?
Hang on, turn around again. Hang on, turn back around. That's a great logo now.
Fuck you.
I am so sorry.
I think you're in a little bit of trouble, Keith.
Whoops.
Why did you give it so?
So, she was following me through this one. I didn't quite expect there's a big stump in there, and I got stuck and I sprayed her with mud right up everywhere. I had to winch myself out. But anyway, bit of fun.
Or muddy. I'm going to sprinkle it.
He did, he took it very easy to him.
Hey, I reckon if you steer on the left a little bit, Keith, so your left wheel is not going up that rock, you'll actually have traction on all four.
The Holden might have the win on this one.
You got to find the right line, I find.